into the scenario, but oh, I already have. No. Wait, keep decorating. Oh, and that. So let's see what's here, guys. So yeah, yes. This is my new. I'm gonna always use this phone to record, guys. I'm not gonna use my mom's iPhone anymore.
The baby became an idiot because
Okay. Yeah, guys. Nice. Nice. Ooh. Coolio. Nice, guys. Weird, but okay. Yeah. Nani. Oh, nice. I guess. Nothing? Nice! So cool, guys. Ooh, that's so nice. Ooh. What if I don't drop her? Oh, nice.
don't even that's not a baby anymore. That's just
now he's carrying me and it hurts so much. But sometimes he makes. Did you know I fell down the stairs in the studio? I fell down the stairs. At least it wasn't too high. You know, if I fell down the stairs too high, do you know what? I might have got injured or died. Okay, yeah. Oops. Okay, nice. Ooh. This is so nice, guys. Oh my gosh, now toys. New toys, I never have new toys now. Do you guys have a lot of toys? A lot of them, most of them are old. Most of my toys are old. Of course. Oh, it's disgusting. Nice, guys. Oh, nice. Bye. Glitch, guys, glitch. Let's go back. Fidget trade. Toy shop. Those. So Game Boy, Game Boy, Game Boy. Okay, but so I cannot get the shot. 6, 7. What? Hello, Bama Rocks. Hello, Bama Rocks. Buy my rocks, please. No. I'm opening my son. He said, I'm opening my son that I stole. That the stuff that I bought, the stuff that's and I stole. Yeah.
You don't like the eggplant?
Cotton candy. Bubblegum ice cream. Gummy sharks.
Decline.
Berry Fanta. Blueberry muffin. Blue raspberry slushie.
Add.
Berry blue jello. Blue raspberry macaroni.
Notes. Okay. Dun dun dun. Add. Decline. Hi, Mom.
all the characters you want. To throw tomatoes at and put the photos. Put them together like this. Then treat rather the tomato throwing from YouTube.
Check out my YouTube. There's a brand new 1, 2, buckle my shoe, 3, 4, buckle more, 5, 6, 9, 10. Whoa! That's not a vape in my life, I swear. They use themselves straight down in my life.
Perfect.
Where should we go?
Do not do Roblox, or else say Skibidi Toilet forever. I say Skibidi Pop Pop Skibidi Toilet. Oh, if you're even, I know that you're gonna shoot this toilet.
When anybody says that it's liability, may be limited to just $1,000. That's almost nothing when many lawsuits involve allegations of SA.
Yeah, it was made by this guy. A lot of people suspected that it just sounded AI generated. But he insisted that it was in fact not made with AI. He did it himself. Another thing that raises some suspicions is that this guy's a rapper and this was the song. It's not his typical style, but with rap lyrics. Anyways, whenever he would perform the song, he also randomly would get the lyrics wrong. Unfortunately for the artist, though, he was later exposed.
Jelly squishy.
This lesson is entirely AI generated. After this, even his own producer said the song was made with AI. And then the service that made the song with AI also admitted that it was AI. The song is still blowing up, though, and the average listener, they probably have no idea it's AI. I hate how this is true. Whatever the song is, AI generated. Yeah, but this artist makes flexing a lot of people.
What?
You get here in limbo. The level chooses a random one of the 8 keys and starts shuffling all keys while you get past the simple wave part, while keeping an eye on the chosen key. And at the end, you have to choose that correct key to win. However, this level was made before the random trigger was added. So how is the level choosing a random key? Is there a way to get the same key every time so you don't have to pay attention to the key shuffling? Well, you see, right now you can easily use the random trigger to achieve a random action every single attempt. However, when Limbo was made, they had to rely on a very creative method that allowed creators to trigger events very unpredictably. To explain it easily, let's add a straight fly, and at the end, we'll enable a random one of these objects, either a spike, saw blade, or a block. Now what we do is we count how many times the player clicked during the straight fly using a simple touch and pickup trigger. Now, when you play this, you will almost never click the exact same amount of times, meaning the number at the end after each attempt will be slightly different. Now if the number is a modulo 3, then we enable the spike. If modulo 3 plus 1, then we do the saw blade and so on. This is easily achievable using the instant count trigger. However, this is still predictable since you can repeat a pattern and always get the same number. And the interesting part is that if you extend this straight fly to be 1 minute, the chances for you to get the same number twice is almost 0, since your movement every attempt is different. And the level window keeps track of your inputs throughout the 3 minutes of gameplay. And depending on what number you get, the level chooses that key. So technically, if you do the exact same inputs every attempt, you will always get the same key. Very nice. Brilliant.
Good. 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 Peach squishy. Here's a dog. Pencil. Squishy. Donut. Squishy.
This containment room was originally meant for SCP-1048 base and being 400 feet underground in a soundproof room. You should be able to open your super whatever, as if you know what SCP-1048A is. Here we go. Just wanted to have some freaking grilled cheese and tomato soup.
What's happening up there? Attack! It's crashing through the facility! We can't stop it!
Who's gonna Fidget play with me? The now boxes. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Ooh, wow.
This is 100
That's something there. That's really nice. This one's real. So it's wow, it's wow. Yeah, some real life. Oh,
Did you notice that in
This is 100 players, and this is a command block that, when activated, kills a random player. The caption is...
wait, what's her name again? What's her name again? Let me see.
Oh God, I got the button!
No,
Oh
gosh. Oh God.
Kill themselves!
Oh,
They
my
kill
gosh.
themselves! Oh, we got some button protectors! Well, there's 75 people left! A lever! Oh God, I can go supporting down to 6-7 people! Oh my God! Everyone just wants to be like, he just killed himself! Look at all the deaths! Okay, well, no one's at the command block anymore. Oh shoot, don't do it. Oh my God, wait, he's protecting it. Oh shoot, oh, the one chance society had. Wait, he's still alive though. No, don't tell me he's gonna... No! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Ooh, where were you? Where were you when it was time for senior photos? Mommy, I don't think...
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Mommy, I don't think it looks good.
Oh, the final two, here it is!
But if Jax crawled out of your eye, tapped your shoulder, yelled Macarena, and immediately started doing the Macarena on your ceiling fan.
Turn on Twit.
Did you notice that in
Stewie, wake up. We gotta go. Chris, come on. We gotta go. Meg, can you drag the trash to the curb?
Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl.
installed and moved around
Hey,
as
shut
years pass. When the Sugar Rush machine is installed, Vanellope can be seen on the side of the cabinet, exposing King Candy's lies about her from the very beginning. But there are
Hi. What's your name? My name's Abigail. Oh my gosh, you're so funny.
Introducing the pencil. You can write with it. You can.
Other code blocks. King
What
Candy's code block is noticeably larger
Yep,
than the code inside.
I'm cousin. Yep, I know.
Sunita Williams, Hugh Jasmine, and Britney Spears.
Welcome to the last part of opening this. So this is the last one. It's like, this is part 3, and now we're gonna open this. Hi guys, so welcome. Hi Hi guys.
This is
Oh, that's a lot. Hey, I said Haley.
Now, the toy brand Agcori is releasing a whole new collection of Sonic the Hedgehog products this year, and a Twitter account by the name of Sonic Paradise ended up finding images of
I
what
said-
the products are going to be. Just like how you find the subscribe button and say, I'm the best source for Sonic the Hedgehog news there is out there, come on now, click it. In a post that reads,
Now what?
the toy brand Agcori has announced a collection of Sonic products launching this year. Most of the images use some
Haley.
AI. Now, there's a lot of products for
How do you spell Haley? Haley. Haley.
Haley. Just Haley? It's just Haley?
Finally.
Order food with love with Food Panda. Download the app and order now.
Chucky was mean as ever, dude. What the heck? And hey, she's squishy trading at the... Today, I found out that Jennifer Slate is squishy trading at
Jennifer Slate.
go, add day, and vote. With instructions to add.
Jennifer Slate. I don't know what. Jennifer Slate. I'm a big fan. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. You want to trade with me? Yeah. I have some squishies in my pocket. Let me get this. These are so rare. I just got this box. Why is it in this box? Nah. Okay.
Probably when it's night time, when you come out and find out the
popular creators to build a level together, where each creator makes a part of the level with their own style. And since all
Are you gonna fidget try with me or what? Okay, I just skip the box. Shut up, I don't care about the box. You only have whatever. I have this. I have no idea what it is, but it's a squishy. It was satisfying. Move the board. There we go. Okay. What do I do? I just give this one. What is that? It's a squishy. Adding a stupid peach.
You can do this! I don't know if I want you.
Except, finally, that is a rare squishy. I don't really know. Then this is a needle because I don't really know what it is. Thank you. Right powder. Oh, I'm gonna stop recording quickly. Bye bye.
Later, dorks!
There you kind of get it. Oh, I know. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Hooray. Okay, so nice. Let's open it. For what? When? Who's selling me? Sorry. No, not wait. I'm sorry. Catherine and Sydney. Yeah? Where is she? Where am I? Oh, there am I. Hi. Okay, let's sell. I can't say anything. Oh. Ah! Still. What the heck is happening? What the heck? What the heck is happening, guys? It's gonna block the path. It's not $1. That's not $1. No, not $1. No. It's $100. Expensive, guys. Expensive. But I don't care. It's my business. So we could do any price. Where do we even get the prices? Where do you even get the prices? Over there. That's gonna be. Oh. Pretend this says 100. It's gonna be $100. Ah! Why just I can't see it? Why is my face? Please? Oh! Oh, finally! You two are fighting. There we go. Oh! Can I have, a camera? Oh, poop. Oh, little honey. You have money. Yeah? I have some in my pocket. Wait. There are stuff, guys. For stuff, guys. We have a lot here. No. That's not my dad. So buy. Make sure to buy this. Make sure I have inventory. I guess. Oh, nice. Hello. So we're like having this business, guys. You can also make slime here. Ooh, you can make slime. Yeah. It's cool. Okay, stop it. Oh, like I have slime. You could buy slime if you don't want to make it. And yes, it's the best ever. This is weird. Though. Girl business. That was weird. So let's just try this out. Will I try this? There we go. My pencil and stuff. Hello, get your pencil. You can have a coffee maker. If you like, you buy. We have a coffee maker, and you tell me if you like to buy it. It's only $10. Only $10. And some more. Only $10. So what is it? Gonna sell posters? Weird, okay. Hi, get your posters, only $10. The ones are so bags. Get your bags. Okay, this is weird. Get your bags. Are you sure this is worth it? Maybe. No. Do you think this? Get your bags. Get your. I think this is worth it. No. Is this right? Sure. Are you sure this is worth it? Maybe. Yeah, maybe. Yes, this is worth it. We don't sell vases. We sell these vases. This is worth it. Maybe. These vases. Where do you put this? Where do I put that? I don't know if this is worth it. Maybe it is worth it. I guess this is worth it. Why is my sister's my... Why is my brother... Yeah, why is our brother always... Why is she kidnapped? Yeah, you might kidnap my kids. It's fine. Just don't kidnap... You did kidnap one of my kids. Yeah, two. You only have 2 kids. I don't care. Hey, sis. So, okay. What's that? Maybe. Is get your rock. Oh, wait. I have money. I just get our money. I don't really. I just want to show you. What? Where is it? There we go. Only one. Is it? Okay, I'll give her money. But then, just the money. Don't really didn't bring the money. Only $10. Only $100. Wow. Pink one is 100, not 100. Try getting so many 50s. He's getting 200. Wow. $100. Oh, this is. Oh, what do you want? Huh? Dude, you have like a phone or a tablet? Oh, you only have like something. Oh, good. We have this. How much? This is 100. $100? Ooh, 100. How do you? Just have 300. You want change? Nah. No change, okay. Just 300. Get out. Go, go. Where do I put this? I want to show you guys that. I want to show you something. I want to show you that what I'm getting. A place. Okay, can't even see your body. Can't really even see your cards. They're so pretty. The viewer. Ay! What is happening? Okay. I'm good. Just kidding, did mama. Just got it. You just got it. Just go to me, right? Start. There you go. Thanks, now get it. Where's that one? Doesn't want to be taken. That takes everyone. I need a box. Or a bag. Okay. No, just buy a bag. You got to do my stuff first. How much? Only about $10. $10. 10. That's just about 10. There. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you so much. Are you studies? Wait, is that? Not in the. Just do make people doing. Jennifer Slay is didn't actually steal anything. Just pretend this is Jennifer. In my role play, Jennifer Slay is good. Is a good girl. Doesn't steal. Okay. You little kid, you forgot. She forgot. Little kid, where are you? Little kid, you forgot your toys. Add. Okay, G, sorry. Forgot to add. So. I can't get this shit out. I don't want to hold this girl. And if I try to get her to say her line while she's playing with her toys, then she'll just say whatever she wants instead. Then I go back to the drawing board, rewrite the entire script based off what she said. And yeah, basically she takes over completely. So anytime you hear a sample video, you can most likely hear her playing with her toys. Oh, Dada. That's good. Oops, no, not again. You, Dada. Okay, poop. Put there. So, poop. You add, please. Apple. Okay. Except. Now my return. It is a mouse. No, that's not a mouse. This cheese squishy. Ooh. And this pink cake. The pink cake. That's rare. I can afford it. Yeah, no. Oh. Add please. Pencil. Add. That's not rare, but add. Add a donut. A donut. Donut squishies. Wow. She actually didn't steal. I changed it. Add jelly. Except. Oh, actually, add. That's odd. Add. But you have nothing. Oh, okay. Thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, wow, poop. Oh, yeah. And a wheat. You put this thing up, yay. Thank you so much. Just don't see it. Guys! Wait a minute. Okay, guys. No. It's Sunday. And I didn't go to church. Even though I am a Christian. But yeah. I want to flip over. over. I wanna flip over. Okay. What a weird. Thanks, bye. Ooh, that's a lot. I think it's squishy. Jelly, it won't fit. What are this? Pencil, squishy. Oh my god, it's Lego. But this can this jelly fit? It can.
Look at this game's brilliant idea. A monster steals your left eye, and your screen gets split between your point of view and its point of view. The story is pretty simple. You're casually exploring a dungeon.
Oh.
Out of nowhere, a giant demon appears and devours you.
Garbage.
Since it didn't chew you properly, you end up
Jennifer
stuck
Slade.
without your legs. Now you have to crawl through its
Hi, Jennifer. Hi.
inside this place, which is basically a giant labyrinth. You'll need to solve puzzles and be extremely careful around the monsters
Okay,
and
guys.
inside. You also have to keep an eye on this bar at all times because every movement you make causes you to lose blood and mobility. When it gets too low, you need to stop it.
Oh, you're my favorite YouTuber. I think I mean,
And stay alive.
get
That
my
wasn't always a monster hunting you down. One of those monsters is actually responsible for the disturbing scene you saw at the beginning of the video. The name of this game is Chew Your Foods, a first-person survival horror game that looks like a flash game straight out
Oh,
of the
sorry.
Look at this game's brilliant idea. A monster steals your left.
That's a big squishy. You have it, yeah. I also have the cheese squishy. Okay. Oh, that's rare. I have a lot of these. Oh, I have that. Where is it? What the heck is that? This squishy. This squishy. This squishy. And the crystal squishies. Actually, crystal squishies. Wow, that's a lot. Haley. It's Jennifer Slade. I have a lot now. Ooh, I have a lot. You trade slime. Sorry, I said Fidget. Actually, yeah. Oh, okay. I got a big one. Oh, Fidget. Trade. Oh, nice. Where? There. There. Oh, okay. Okay, now I'll get the. I'll trade the eye squishy. What? The needle eye. Pretend that there's a needle eye. The needle eye? Yes, please. Even though it's kind of creepy. Oh. Okay. Okay. And this kind of weird squishy. This, I have no idea what the squishy is. But then soda? That was a see? Oh, okay. That's fine. Thanks. Please. I'm trying to. Ooh. Whoa. Add your blood. Crystals. Okay. Dun 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 dun. I have this cheese. I have very those cake. Ooh. Thanks.
Which main level has the most decoration? You might think it must be Dash since it's the most detailed level. However, that's actually not true. That's because if you open Dash in the editor, you'll see most blocks are just a single object. Because for update 2.2, Rob focused a lot on drawing custom pixel art objects, making Dash be the second most decorated level with 12,000 decoration objects. And obviously the earlier levels will get with the least decorated level being Can't Let Go with only 126 decoration objects. That means later levels will have more decoration objects.
Okay.
And just to clarify, a decoration
Okay, fine.
object is an object that you can't touch or interact, making that block to be the fourth most decorated level. Due to it having many detailed sections, followed by geometrical dominator with 6,000 decoration objects. Since it has a detailed rainbow theme, but percentage-wise, Dash has the most decoration with 68% of objects being decoration objects. The number one most decorated level has 15,000 decoration objects, that being Finger Death. Which main level has the most decoration?
This popular Japanese toy had its own theme song, app, and merchandise, but was later discontinued. But why? This is Paki Paki Clapping, and it's a handheld clapping device. In Japan, clapping your hands together is a huge part of Japanese culture, so people would use this for parties, sports events, and more. But the reason Paki was canceled is because the company moved on to something bigger and better. And in 2020, they released the Big Clap, which also has its own app and clapping challenge to go with it. And then in 2023, the Big Clap was released to their website.
Oh, Jennifer, say it. Here. Oh. Okay. So there's yeah. This is so bad. Yo. It's so rare. Oh, more. Let's do it again. More. Some more. Thank you so much. Hey. This one, this, this already one is, this probably, oh, this one is squishy. Oh, I'll take, more things to try though. No. Is this dino? This dino's good. Oh, nice. Thanks. Add. Okay. You want a packaging? Oh, yes. I do want a packaging. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. So the the P. Oh, the P. Disgusting, but yay. It's rainbow. It is pink. It's disgusting. So that's. Oh yes. Add. This apple. Add. Oh, this. Not this. Nora. Okay, Nora. Look at Nora. Okay. Add. Okay. Add. More. Okay, here. Now this. Okay, now this. And add more. Add everything you have. You have a lot of rare things. Subscribe to Haley's YouTube channel. More slime. That's all. I have nothing. Thank you, except two. Ah! Oh my gosh. There's so many stuff in here, guys. Haley World has a lot. Subscribe to Haley. Oops, no. Subscribe to Jennifer Slay. Ah, she's the best, guys. Look how much I got. Bye, guys. Subscribe to Jennifer Slay. Oh, bye. Look what a bunch I got. The pink one. Yep. Oh, yes, Haley. Yeah, Haley. Hi, Aunt. Hi, niece. Hi, Layla. Hi. About like about $100. Are you going to do 100? Oh, you don't have to. You don't have to, I promise. You don't have to. You don't have to. No. No. Here, oh, thank you. I don't really like this phone. Yeah. We have this phone. You could pick anything you like a tablet. Ooh, all of them on there. Like an iPad 10. Ooh, our phone model and controllers and films. Whoa. And a phone again. Ooh, nice. And yoga. Computer. TV. Okay. You have a lot of music. And you have so many. Nice. Thank you. I'll look ahead. Oh, thanks. Bye. Of course, I don't care about this. Where's the iPad? Jennifer Slay. A phone for me. Yeah. Thank you. I need an iPad pen. iPad pen. With $0. It's free. Oh, free. Tata. Okay. Oh, it's so satisfying.